Hi, my name is Will and I'm the Heart of Mak Tok. At Mak Tok, we make one of the best Malaysian artisan chili paste in the UK and possibly the world based on a recipe I made from my mom. Mak Tok actually means grandmother in my native language. I named my company Mak Tok because I was inspired by this grandmother I used to work with. She used to give me really inspirational talks, and to commemorate her, I named my company Mak Tok. When I was at university, I was missing my mom's cooking so much. So I went to recreate her favorite chili paste by making her recipe, and today I make it even better than hers. So we didn't grow up from a very wealthy family. My mom did what she could to provide us with a tasty meal, and this was one of the most cost-effective ways. When I was cooking with her in the kitchen, I used to remember she would share with me all these amazing stories, and she showed me how to cook her amazing chili paste, and till today I can still remember each and every moment. Whenever I miss home, especially when I miss my mom, this is something I'll make to remind me of her. Food means everything in my culture, so why not grab a jar of Mak Tok's chili paste today and bring your friends and family together.